Verify secant x minus 1 times the quantity secant x plus 1 equals tan square x. So what that means is you start on one side of the equation, simplify and arrive on the other side of the equation. So the left side looks like, so let's copy the left side, is secant x minus 1 times secant x plus 1. Now if you recall the difference of squares formula from algebra, so these are some of the basics that you should know. And in particular for this problem we are using this. If you have a product of two binomials that look like this, a minus b, a plus b, the answer is a square minus b square. So secant x minus 1 times secant x plus 1 is going to be secant square x minus 1. And again, there are some trigonometric identities that we want to remember. And here in the first box, it says that you can convert all the trig functions to sines and cosines. And this is saying how sine and cosine are related to each other. Now this is a Pythagorean identity. If you know the other two Pythagorean identities, then you can basically say that, oh, this is 1 plus tan square x minus 1, and we will be done. But even if you don't remember this Pythagorean identity, but if you remember this, sine square plus cos square equals 1, you can still prove this. So secant square is 1 over cos square x minus 1. So 1, you can think of that as 1 over 1. And how do you subtract two fractions? So I want to remind you about a fast way to subtract two fractions. You can cross multiply AD minus BC to get the numerator, and you multiply the denominators to get the denominator. So it's going to be 1 times 1, which is 1, minus cos square x times 1, which is cos square x, divided by cos square x. And if you know sine square x plus cos square x is 1, then this is going to be, the numerator is going to be sine square x. And what is sine over cosine? That's equal to tan. So sine square over cos square equals tan square x, which is the same as the right side. Now it took us a little bit longer, but if you